Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Green Bengal. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Green Bengal. I am Abhishek. Today I am going to show how to grow garlic at home. Garlic is used widely as a flavoring in cooking and it has also used in medicine purpose. Garlic is also used today by some peoples for the prevention of heart attack, prostate cancer, breast cancer and stomach cancer, and it has lots of medicinal value. Garlic is a species in the onion genus. It's mainly native to Central Asia and Northeast Iran. In this video, I am going to show you how to grow garlic at home. First of all, take a garlic bulb and separate the garlic cloves. Take a well-drained large container. Cover the drainage holes with some coconut husk or gravels. Now I am making potting mix for garlic plant. The ratio of the potting mix is 70% normal garden soil, 30% vermicompost or fully decomposed cow dung. I am already prepared this potting mix. Fill it with potting mix. Plant garlic cloves into the potting mix. Finally, give some water and keep it full sunlight place. After 3 months, you can harvest this garlic bulb. Hope you enjoy this video. Please like my video and share my video. Have you any query? Please comment me and subscribe to my channel and click bell icon for latest update. Thank you.